Good morning. This is Carlos Samaniego from Tax Debt Consultant, and the Franchise Tax Board strikes again. Now, this is becoming almost a literally daily occurrence where the Franchise Tax Board has strike another client of mine's bank account. Actually, he became a client. He wasn't a client prior to the Franchise Tax Board coming out to them. I'm going to talk about that story here in a second, but I just wanted to wish you, hope you had a happy Thanksgiving weekend here. I know I just got back into the office. We spent a quiet Thanksgiving at home, and then I was able to get away with my wife for a few days for our anniversary, our 15th anniversary weekend. And that's where the story begins. So it's Friday afternoon after Thanksgiving, and I get a phone call from somebody that found me on YouTube here. And they said, Carlos, I just had $2,900 taken out of my bank account, and I don't know what to do. That is a very common thing I hear. I had $2,900. I don't know what to do. What was needed on this case, though, he actually knew who took the money. Most people think the IRS took the money, but in his specific case, he knew that the state of California had taken the money out. And of course, he told me that he never received any notices prior to them taking out the money. Well, I asked a simple question. Well, when's the last time you got any notice? He goes, it's been years. Where do you live now? He lived in a different state altogether. This person lived in up in Oregon. And of course, he didn't get a notice because the state of California didn't have a copy of his new address. How was he going to get a notice? Anyways, he had asked me, is there anything he can do? And I had asked him, well, wait a second. We only got 10 days to do something here. 10 days to figure out how to get your money back, because there is a time limit with the state of California getting your money back. And that money had been taken out a couple of days earlier, and he was able to reach me on Friday. And luckily, I picked up the phone because, again, it was a holiday, the Friday after Thanksgiving. So I picked up the phone. I told him there's nothing we can do now. But if you want me to work on this case, if you retain me, I can actually do this. And I think I can get a good portion of that money back. And he did. He got me retained. And I told him there's nothing I can do until Monday morning. So literally on Monday morning, what I end up doing, I end up reaching out to the Franchise Tax Board. And I found out exactly what I expected. It had been assigned to their complex account resolution team. So they transferred me to that phone, to that number. And then I was able to get the person that was in charge specifically for his account. And I spent later that afternoon, I was actually in Santa Barbara making these phone calls, trying to reach this individual to try to get this resolved. And the most important thing, here's what happened. This morning, I was able to contact the person. We came up with a resolution for his current tax date, and the Franchise Tax Board decided to release close to 90% of his money back to him. So he's able to pay his rent, which is due today, pay the utilities that are due today. So here's the thing. There is hope. Even if the IRS or the state of California takes money out of your account, there is hope for you. But you're on very limited time to do something. So you need to do something fast and immediate and have somebody that knows how they work, knows what to say to be able to get that money back for you. If that is your case and you need assistance with something like that, go ahead and click the link right there, calltaxea.com. Actually, it's not a link, but it's right there on the screen, calltaxea.com, and book a phone appointment. Oh, and I have this screen here. I forgot. I wanted to share this screen with you here. This screen here, let's go right here. As you can see here, actually, I'll make it a little bit bigger. This was an older article because people were saying, well, I thought that the IRS is not enforcing, doing enforcement in regards to their taxes that are due. The IRS has started, but the state of California, as you notice here, they started back on July 14th. This was a news article on Bloomberg on July 14th that the state of California was going to go back to aggressively attempting to collect taxes, audits. They went back into regular mode there. So if you want to do something about your taxes, if the state of California has taken money from you, go ahead and book an appointment. Book it fast. The thing is, I am getting busy right now. I'm getting really busy. So if you want assistance or need my assistance, book an appointment so we can see how we can help you. With that, again, hope you had a great Thanksgiving weekend, and looking forward to talking to you guys going into this new year and this actually the holiday season before the new year. Talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.